Hello my lovely little ones. Once again welcome back to our Yummy Times where we share some really yummy non-fire cooking recipes. So children, are you fond of eating outside food, street food, some chaats or something like that? Well, all of us love it. But children, outside food is not always healthy. So today I am going to show you an easy healthy chaat which you can make on your own. So the ingredients that we need are some finely chopped cucumber, onion, tomatoes, slice of lemon, some sprouted grams, chaat masala and salt. So let's get started. Over here I am taking a big bowl to which I am going to add some finely chopped tomatoes, some finely chopped cucumbers and onions too. To this I am going to add some sprouted grams. Now to this I am going to add some chaat masala and salt. You can add this as per your taste. Children, this is a really very healthy recipe. Now for a bit of tanginess I am also going to squeeze a lemon. Like this. Now I am going to mix it well. All the ingredients that we have added have got a lot of goodness. Like the sprouted grams that we added is a good source of fiber. Cucumbers have lot of water in them. And tomatoes are a good source of antioxidant. And lemon, which is a good source of vitamin C. So children, this is a very healthy recipe. Now I have mixed it well. So now I am taking a serving bowl and I am going to serve it. Children, for more such interesting videos, you can check out our series. And please don't forget to subscribe our channel. So children, our sprouted chaat is ready to have. Do make this at your home and enjoy. Thank you.